Welcome to our channel. Verifying your DoorDash driver account is required before you can start delivering. Here's the complete process. Step 1. Download DoorDash driver app and complete the initial application with accurate information. Step 2. Upload a clear photo of your valid driver's license. Ensure all information is legible. Step 3. Provide your social security number for the mandatory background check. Step 4. Complete the background check consent form. DoorDash uses Checkr for verification. Step 5. Submit vehicle information if driving. Include year, make, model, and insurance details. Step 6. Upload proof of auto insurance with your name listed on the policy. Step 7. Take and submit a profile photo following DoorDash's photo requirements. Step 8. Complete any local requirements. Some cities require additional business licenses. Step 9. Wait for approval. Background checks typically take 5 to 7 business days to process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.